Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Azure account and subscription meets Sandbox eligibility. Sign in and open the Sandbox lab immediately. Next, choose the resource profile you need and allocate vCPU, storage, and network quota so the environment matches your task. While allocating, pick the correct region to reduce latency and comply with policies. Once done, click Create or Start Sandbox to provision ephemeral resources. This launches the isolated environment you'll work in for the session. After the sandbox is running, deploy needed resources via the portal, Cloud Shell, or an ARM/Bicep template for repeatable setup. This ensures consistency. Then configure access. Create a service principal or assign RBAC roles to your user so scripts can run without elevation. Make sure network security groups and firewall rules permit only required traffic to maintain isolation. Finally, install SDKs, CLI tools, and extensions inside the sandbox. This gives you to complete your session, export important artifacts, and save configs or templates to external storage. This preserves work beyond the ephemeral sandbox. Then gracefully stop services and delete the sandbox resources to prevent unwanted cost and free quota for future use. If something goes wrong, first check activity logs and quota limits for failures, then verify RBAC permissions and network rules. If provisioning stalls, retry with a different region or reduce requested resources. These steps resolve most common sandbox issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.